So, hello everyone, this is Pavithra, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, SNS College of Engineering. So, in this video, in the last video, we have discussed about the what is AC and what is DC, how the AC components and what is the difference between AC current and DC current, and what are the applications based on this ACs, and what are the example for AC and DCs and all we have did. And now we are going to see about the resistive element. The resistive element is a component that controls or provides electrical resistance to the circuit. It is the core components of resistor, which is a common type of electronic component. So now let us see what are the resistive element used for. First one is a temperature sensor, another one is a strain sensor, third one is a light sensor, fourth one is a heating element. So the temperature sensor, resistive element can be made sensitive to the temperature or used in a resistive temperature detection. Strain sensor, resistive element can be made sensitive to the strain which can be caused by pressure or flux, and resistive element can be made sensitive to the light, and the resistive elements are used in heating element like toaster, ovens and space heaters. And then resistive element, how are the resistive elements made? The resistive elements are typically made from the material which high resistivity such as a carbon metal alloys or semiconductors. These resistive elements are encased in the insulating material like ceramic or plastic to prevent electrical contact. How do resistive element work? These resistive element changes its predictable way with the temperature. By measuring the resistance of element, you can determine its temperature. And here the active electronic components, one is a semiconductor and one is a transistors. Diodes, light emitting diodes, rectifier diode, Scottified diode, and solar PV cell, PV panel, unipolar bipolar diode, and varicap and variactor and Zener diode. In the transistor types, we have compost transistor, compound transistor, Darlington transistor, field effect transistor, junction field transistor, MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor, photo transistor, and transistors all, and thyristors. And the passive electronic components are basic components: antenna, assembly modules, capacitors, detectors, inductors, coil, mysterious and networks, resistors all type, sensors and transducers. Electromechanical components are cables, circuit protection device, crystals, mechanical device such as fan, lamp, PCB, piezoelectric device, resonance switches, terminals and connectors. And what is the difference between active passive components? Active device transits and injects the power or energy into circuit. Passive device utilize the power or energy into the circuit. Example: diode, transistor, SCR, ICs, DC generators, current, voltage and source. Here the resistor, capacitor, inductors, transformers, motors, etc. And then active element produces energy into the form of voltage or current. Passive element stores energy in a form of voltage or current. They have a function and provide power gain. Here they don't have the function provide power gain. It can control the flow of current. It cannot control the flow of current. Active components requires an external and conditional source to operate in the circuit. Passive components do not require any external source to operate in the circuit. They have gain more than one, so they can amplify the signal. They have gain less than one, so they cannot amplify the signal. They are energy donor. They are energy acceptor. They lay in a linear category. They lay in a non-linear category. So basic concepts of some of the components: voltage, electrical current, resistance, capacitance, inductance. Voltage is a driving force in the circuit. Voltage is a pressure and pushes the electron through the conductor. Electrical current, the flow of electrons through the conductor. Resistance, the degree to which the material resists the flow of electrons. Capacitance, the basic elements of electrons. Inductance, the energy stored in the magnetic field when electric current flows. Electronic circuits, there are two: digital circuits and mixed signal circuits. Work with a discrete signal, are used for data processing and digital computing. Combine analog and digital computing to handle a wide range of signals. Voltage is the force that makes electron flow. It is a difference in the potential energy between two different points in the circuit. Current, the current is the rate of flow of electrons. It measured in ampere, which are called as amp. Power volt, the power used in a circuit is measured in watts. And today we are going to see about this multiple choice question in the simple series. in the simple series with a 12 volt battery and the two resistor R1 and R2. What is the total resistance of the current? So here the two resistance are series, so 4 plus 6 it will be a 10. So that what here the total resistance R total in the series of sum of the individual resistance. So R total is R1 plus R2 is equal to 4 omega plus 6 omega is equal to 10 omega. And then what is the total current in the circuit with the 10 volt battery and the total resistance of 5 ohm? So here we are using the Ohm's law. I is equal to V by R. So 10 volt divided by 5 volt is equal to 2A. The total current is nothing but 2A. Then if the power supplied by 10 voltage battery in the circuit with the current of 2A is calculated, what is the power? So the power formula is P is equal to V into I. So is equal to 10 into 2A is equal to 20 watts. So the correct answer is 20 watt. I hope you like this video. This multiple choices questions are maybe asked in different aptitude questions for gate exam and all. Utilize this thing, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much.